Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the Lutranstra 5K wildlife camera. Wi-Fi. Possible. We have 64 megapixel full HD wildlife camera with a mobile phone transmission app. With battery operated. Infrared wildlife camera with 64 gigabyte SD card, and it can be operated by 4 up to 8 AA batteries, or you can make a USB A, so that means a power pack connectable to this, so you can use it as an external battery operated system. Really cool feature. We have night vision, 0.1 seconds trigger time, and it's IP66. So, app control means we have to operate this, if we like. We can operate this by using a Wi-Fi, the own Wi-Fi of the camera. Or we make this old school and use it with the first step mode, the test mode, to see on the internal TFT screen. We can make the settings, choose what we are going to like with the button version, and then we can start with the on version. Or we use the app control. The Lutranstra 5K camera with a mobile phone transfer app. We download the TrailCam Go app. The TrailCam means TRAILCAM, Go, G-O. Manually connect our phone to the TrailCam built-in Wi-Fi, or we connect it via Bluetooth. We can easily set then after this parameters and save images or videos from the trail camera onto our phone via the app. The connection of the Wi-Fi has a distance limit about 65 feet in the open range. If we are like to operate this system without an app, it's possible too, because we can save our photos and videos on an SD card, on a disk, on a SD card, and after a month, a day, or something else, we can remove this and transfer this to a computer, for example. That's possible too. So you have both of two worlds. The Lutranstra 5K wildlife camera comes with night vision and motion detector, a 4 million pixel color CMOS sensor chip that can record 5K videos and 64 megapixel photos. It also has a 130 degrees wide angle lens that has a large field of view. We can see clearly wild animals, clearly during the day and night. We can view of the pictures of deers, raccoons, opossums, etc. So animals which are playing, for example, cards or other games at the night. The videos are vivid in color and rich in detail for us to download and enjoy. The Lutranstra 5K wildlife camera comes with motion detector and night vision. It has an updated its video format from AVI to MP4, which makes the video editing much easier for us. And with an invisible night vision, the wildlife comes with a sensor, an Ultra HD sensor with 130 degrees wide angle, and it delivers an observation monitor with sharp 64 megapixel photos and videos, even in the dark. Thanks to the 850 nm infrared night vision and military camouflage foil, it remains completely invisible. That's perfect for shy wildlife. Deers, for example. It's ideal for exploration, hunting monitoring, and safety monitoring. The Lutranstra 5K hunting camera benefits from the uses of the two PIR detectors, which makes the camera more sensitive and can be activated in less than 0.1 seconds. We capture every precision moment and make that unforgettable. And It comes with 64GB SD card. That's cool. We can use 64GB memory card and 8 1.5V AA batteries, which is very convenient and to use. It really has a 400 megapixel CMOS lens, also makes the photos clearer, and also has a timer recorder function if we need it. And we have IP66. This ends to a normal operation from -22 degrees Fahrenheit to 158 degrees Fahrenheit. Job's done, baby. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me, give me positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Dun dun!